Tired of a messy bookmarks folder cluttered with sites you never visit anymore? You know the one. It's full of old pages, forgotten recipes, or that one article you swore you would read but never did. Well, you are in the right place. In just a few seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete individual bookmarks from any folder in Chrome. No more deleting entire folders by accident, no more digging through endless lists. Just a clean, streamlined bookmark bar with only the stuff you actually want. Here's the plan. We are going to open Chrome's Bookmark Manager, click into the folder that needs a little spring cleaning, and then remove that one unwanted bookmark with just a couple of clicks. It is super straightforward, and I will walk you through every single step. All right, let us get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome on your computer. Just double-click that icon or find it in your taskbar or dock. Give it a second to load. Now, look up at the very top right corner of your browser window. You will see three little dots stacked vertically. That is your main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you want to hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. Do not click it just yet. Just hover over it with your cursor. When you do, a submenu will slide out to the side. It is like opening one drawer to find another one inside. In that submenu, you will see an option at the very top that says Bookmark Manager. Click on that. This opens up a whole new tab dedicated just to managing all of your saved bookmarks. It is the command center for everything you have ever saved. So now that we are in the Bookmark Manager, you will see a list of folders on the left side of the screen. These are all your bookmark folders. Go ahead and click on the folder that contains the website you want to remove. Maybe it is the folder named Recipes or Work Stuff or whatever you have called it. Just click it once. The contents of that folder will now appear in the main area on the right. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the specific bookmark you want to delete. It might be a link to a shopping site you were done with, or an old tutorial you no longer need. Find it. Now, once you have that bookmark in your sights, look to the far right edge of that item. You will see another set of three little dots. It is a small icon, easy to miss. Click on those three dots. A small menu will pop up right there. From that menu, the last option is Delete. Click on it. And just like that, the bookmark vanishes. No confirmation box, no second chance. It is gone. If you change your mind, you can undo it quickly by pressing Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on a Mac. But for now, your folder is already looking a whole lot cleaner. And that is really all there is to it. You can repeat this process for any bookmark in any folder whenever you need to do a little digital decluttering. Thanks so much for following along. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.